When I run the one-day events on Make Changes Not Excuses, I always encourage the people to go home and set up an excuse jar. Yeah, an excuse jar. Just get a glass jar, put it on your kitchen table, and for the next 21 days, every time you find yourself making an excuse, get a piece of paper, write the excuse in the piece of paper, put it in the jar, and then after 21 days, empty the jar upside down. Do it as a family, do it with your partner, and count how many times you made that excuse. And then, why not make changes? Give up the excuse and make changes.